big one. Alpha mark.
I think the overall living experience here has been absolutely amazing. I love meeting the people here. The staff here has been really friendly and welcoming since day one.
Everything that you would never expect to find in a rental building is here, and that's really what's so attractive about it. It's so clear that a lot of thought went into the design and into considering the needs and wants of the residents.
The public space, for example, be it the party room or the gym or the yoga room, is well maintained. You don't see that in many condo buildings where the units are owned by landlords.
I really like the community here. There's a lot of parks around, cafes. I don't find myself just sitting at home and having nothing to do just because everything's very accessible.
Whoever visits us, like our friends and everyone, and even when we show our home to people back in our country, I think they are just fascinated by all the facilities and everything.
The cultural fabric of this place is very diverse. You get to meet people from different parts of the world.
I've met a lot of people moving here through the social events, and that's not something I've seen at other apartments.
People here are really nice and welcoming, so I would 100% recommend this place to my friends.
The community is extremely important to me because given the fact that we live far, far away from our families, this is our family.